I'm going to show you how to install a sat navigation system or a radio or a unit to Toyota 2007 Toyota Corolla. So we've got our unit here, Android unit. We need a wrestle, all the plugs, GPS, everything. We're gonna go into the car and start installing this unit. We'll start it from here. We have to use the plastic tools to undo that. There's a plug for the cigarette lighter. Undo it, unplug it, the next step is to take this climate control out. There's one screw here. To undo it. Undo the screw. The climate control. It's just very easy. You just put your hands here, put it back, and then have two clip here. Just undo. There's a three plug here. You just unplug them. One, two, alright. Take this out, and next part is the air vent. Just easy. Take it out. This side, and then we've got screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 millimeters. Alright, undo this. Alright guys, we just undo the screws, and then there's a plug here to undo them. And we have to install our unit into it. Alright guys, now we have to take out the air vent and put it to our official show, and we need to take all these 4 clips. No, that's actually 2 clips. 2 clips out too. 2 clips and then air vent. And I'm gonna show you how to take out the air vent. There's a little clip here. Just push it in the side, and we take out the factory air vent and then put them in just, take out the air vent from the factory unit to our official. But the problem is this little corner here, it avoids the vent to go up and down. We can actually do it foil with a little this corner, but it's just for you guys if you want optional to be like just like this, or you want to foil it a little bit here. But it looks nice and clean. But the one thing else, it is actually four clips for the factory unit. But this car has missed like four clips. We just put two of them here right now, because you guys might get confused. Where's the other four clips? It has four clips. One, two, three, four. But two of this car is missing. All right, guys. Now time's up. So we have the unit, the actual Android unit. I'm gonna put it inside the official. Okay, just very easy. And then there's four screws, one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 for this. Alright guys, we just put the unit into the official. This is Wi-Fi antenna, which is already connected. And then we are connecting the loom. Here's the clip, and this is all the auxiliaries. You hear the clip is actually connected. This is for our reverse camera. Alright, two USB cables, two USB cable, just for the software update or for charger, or as you guys can see, you can zoom it in. It says Wi-Fi here. This is for Wi-Fi antenna. This is GPS antenna. It's GPS, it says GPS itself. It goes just right here. Alright, and we've got the mic too. So I'm gonna run a mic cable from just under the steering wheel. I'm gonna set it up just here and run the wire just right under the steering wheel. Guys, so our unit is ready. I just connected everything one by one on the unit, which is like our loom, the power cable, the speaker. This is our power cable, and this is our speakers. This is steering control, and so we connected our auxiliary cable. This is a Wi-Fi antenna. This is our GPS. You can see it here. I run two USB cable in the glove box. You see them? It's two USB cable, already connected, and this is our the reverse camera, and which I did reverse camera too. I run wire all the way from the back to here, and this is our reverse camera, which coming from the back and connecting to this yellow cable, and the power for the reverse camera. As you guys can see, this brown wire, it says reverse. This is actually getting power from the unit to our reverse camera wire. So this is the red for reverse camera is gonna connect to brown wire which says reverse, and everything is ready. So I'm gonna connect the wire. This gonna run it here. You don't actually need this. So the power, it's easy, plug and plug. You can hear the sound tick. And this is our speakers. Yep. Gonna pull it back, and this is our radio antenna. It is go in the radio antenna plug. All right. Give it a big, pull it back. Give them a space. Okay, I think my GPS just keep falling off. Okay. You can put GPS camera anywhere you want to. I'm just recording this video just to know how to show you guys how to install or how to connect the wire, but you can put it anywhere that can be like this position. You cannot put it like this, you cannot put it like that, or side, or just flat on something here. Anywhere here in the back you find a good spot for it, you can just put it. Alright, everything is plug and plug. Plug this into the power, so I'm gonna put it back. Alright, it's all good. There's actually one screws here. We'll have to put that back. Alright, let's just screw it. Okay, cool. This is good. Alright. Cigarette lighter. There's a calculator. We just installed the unit to a 2006 Toyota Corolla. which all the models are pretty much the same up to. And then I'm gonna start the car and see how the unit works. And very nice and quick, very fast. We've got the all options. All you can actually download any application you want to. We've got our GPS. We have we've got Bluetooth. We've got like music. We've got radio station. We've got videos. And this is I just installed the reverse camera on it too. Just see this is our reverse camera. It's awesome. Beautiful. Awesome. We go back to this is all options, radio, music, our GPS.